Grand Rising, my friends, and welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany, and I'm coming to you from my beautiful tiny home on wheels, Tamera. Y'all, I still sound very much so morning because it still is very much so morning. It is a little after 7 o'clock. Jada baby and I just got back in from doing her morning walk. And that was really nice. And now it's time to get ready because we are leaving my mother's house. We are leaving Florida and we are making our way to Virginia. And our ride is gonna be a little more safe with the help of today's sponsor, which is VIOFO. They sent me a really nice dash and interior 4K camera for Tamera. I'm sorry, for Tia, my Jeep. And we finally gonna have some eyes on the outside and on the inside while we're driving, but a little bit more on that later on in the video. I actually need to go ahead and get this interior into driving mode, and then we're gonna hop outside and go ahead and hitch up sister before I before I make my way inside to take my shower and everything. So let's go ahead and make this space nice and road ready. Alrighty, so let's just Jada's like, what's going on? I'm just gonna show them what the space looks like. So we have a little bit of stuff on the counter, which is normal. I had some sunflower seeds last night. Television, gotta strap that down. We have all of the stuff that's on the end caps. I take that stuff down. This is just a before, and then I just have a few stuff sitting over here. AC just turned on, so it's time to get to work.
Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business, no time for stress over bush. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting, I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Ain't that I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. First, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. Order in the court. First, you short. On my time.
Alright, I don't know if you can hear me from here, but I know you can see me. So I get asked a few times if my chains are crisscrossed, and they are. And one thing that I have like made a note about is I have these wires, and this wire is attached to this side, so I always have this wire chain go to this side over here, so it's just like easy for me to be like, okay, here's the wire, I know it goes over here. So my chains are crisscross applesauce. Alright, I'm all sweaty and stuff, and that's literally the reason why I go ahead and hitch up sister before I take my shower and everything, because it is a little work, you know, to get everything back settled. I still have the electricity plugged in because I'm not about to leave like just yet, so this will be the last thing, the electricity, and then these little wheel thingies will be the last thing I take care of. But yeah, I'm about to go jump in the shower. It's hot and humid here now. So I'm refilling all my waters so I don't have to buy any. I save about 3 gallons and kind of switch them out every few weeks or whatever. But I'm having this going, and then I'm using my mom's fridge water. When I'm at my sister's, I'll normally put the bottle up under there, but that one's too like tight of a space, so I'm using a cup, and then I'm pouring it in the gallon water. But yep, being resourceful. Alright friends, we are about to hit the road. We're gonna drive about 3 hours today. We're gonna go to a Cracker Barrel, and then we're gonna call it a night there. So I think you're seeing me, well, I'm talking to you here, but I also have the interior dash cam and the exterior dash cam going. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how quick it was to install this bad boy, and then you'll be able to see some of the views that I'm seeing. It is a little windy right now. I'm not super excited about it. Speed limit is 65, but we just gonna take it slow and just, you know, enjoy this little drive as much as we can. So let's go ahead and go. This is the VIOFO interior and exterior dash cam. The team also sent over the Bluetooth remote that allows you to lock in videos while you're driving, and the HK3C hardwire kit, which connects to your vehicle's battery, and it will record if it senses movement outside of your vehicle. I was super excited when the team at VIOFO reached out because I met a lot of you all after my encounter with the police in Domino, my Skoolie. It would have been nice to have this set up back then, but let's not dwell on the past. This dash cam was really easy to set up. I think it took me longer to figure out where I wanted the cameras placed than anything else. The dash cam can also be powered by the cigarette lighter adapter, or if you have extra USB ports, that can work too.
Maybe this was it. Here.
An awesome feature I want to point out is that the dash cam has Wi-Fi capabilities, which allows you to stream to your phone with the VIOFO app. Check this out.
Do it.
It's in color now. It looks good. Time, the date, and everything on there. Oh, and the location. So I'll most definitely have to blur that out. Now this is the HK3 hardwire kit. It allows for a permanent power to your dash cam. It is recommended that a professional installs this, so I'm going to ask my dad to do it. But once it's installed, it would be great to see what animals pass by while we're sleeping at night. So I downloaded some footage from the memory card, and I wanted to show you guys how great the quality is. When the camera is recording, you can set it to loop every 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10 minutes. And when the space is filled up, it will override the oldest files. So that's when the Bluetooth remote comes in handy. You can lock in those moments, like when a deer jumps out in front of you on a long drive. Yeah, that happens. So make sure you wait until the end of this video because I have a sneak peek of a deer literally jumping right in front of us while we're driving. Now, if you'd like to check out the different dash cams VIOFO has to offer, I've linked their information in the video description below, and if you purchase from their website directly, you will get $20 off with code Brittany139P or 5% off your order via Amazon with the same promo code. All right, we're posted up at Crackle Barrel. It is warm in here. I have all of the windows open. I even have the front door cracked a bit. I have the fan in the bathroom going to kind of suck out some of this warm air. Because I'm not plugged in, I really don't have that much power. I only have 100 amp hour battery, so I do have my backup battery pack here. Have one of the fans going, and I'm starving, so I'm about to make me a salad. And then hopefully that'll cool me down a bit with my little salad, and then me and Jada baby, we're gonna take a little walk outside and I don't know, I guess explore the area a bit, even though I'm not gonna really walk that far because it still is very warm outside. So I am about to do that. That was delicious. I am so grateful to have a large freezer because I just gave Jada some ice, and y'all got popsicles, and I got Italian icy for days. So I'm gonna be getting me one of those shortly. Like, it is really warm. I don't know, let me see. Oh yeah, it's saying that it's 91 degrees. I don't know if that's how hot it is outside. It's not 91 degrees in here. See, I'm not even sweating no more. I'm just a little dewy, and that's because my rose water, I do use rose water every day, like twice a day, and it gives me this little like dewy situation sometimes. But yeah, I'm warm. I'm not like hot, but I do have popsicles, ice, cold kombuchas, everything, and fruit in the Frigidaire. So honestly, I think I'm about to just chill out a bit. I think I will be having Crackle Barrel for dinner. And last time we was in Crackle Barrel, I had that old raggedy, what was it? I think it was like roast beef or something like that. Sorry, the lighting isn't great, but I had like roast beef, and it was like a crap ton of onions in there. So tonight I'm just gonna do fried. I will be getting some fried shrimp with french fries, and that is going to be my dinner tonight. Ugh, I'm out here melting. Not for a TV. It's really cool up under here. I'm tempted to get a chair and just like sit in this area. We have probably like 2 more hours of it being like super warm outside. Thank goodness for that breeze that kicked me off the road, because if not, we would both be kind of like SOL. But let me go pick up Jada's poo. Y'all, it is so warm. So I'm staying here at Cracker Barrel still tonight, but I'm gonna have to figure out the rest of this trip. I thought I would be able to do, like, you know, Cracker Barrels in the evening and stuff like that, but we need some type of AC because this is just not working. It's just way too hot. I have these cloths. I've been wetting them, putting them in the freezer, and then bringing them back out and wiping Jada down, and that's been keeping her cool. So she's good, but it's like we're working, like I'm actively working to make sure she's cool. And it's so many ants. Like, I was gonna sit outside with her, but it's so many ants like everywhere, and then the one spot is like just kind of really exposed, and I don't want us to look like, you know, we long time residents here. So yeah. Now this is our final walk for the evening. Thank you all for tuning in to find out where is Brittany, and the deer footage is on its way. And don't forget to check out the information in the video description below about this awesome dash cam. See you all later. Bye. I love that little pop out. Oh, that was a mosquito. But yeah, the airflow.